The thoughts come from the mind. The mind is a thinking machine. The mind thinks all the time. The mind thinks when we are sleeping. The mind thinks when we are awake. The mind thinks all the time. If the mind stops thinking, we will die. Therefore, the mind, thinking for the mind is like the heartbeat for the body. The heart beats, we are alive. The heart stops, we go. So similarly, the mind's heartbeat is the thinking. It has to keep on thinking. It thinks randomly. It thinks on all the stored information we have. It thinks on all the memories of several lifetimes we have. Picking up all the elements from those, it keeps on thinking all the time. Therefore, strange thoughts come to us, which we don't know where they're coming from. They're coming from an area which we've forgotten. They're just being picked up randomly by the mind, and those thoughts are coming. If we keep on listening to those thoughts and are concerned with those thoughts, we get into trouble. Because those negative thoughts then affect our actions, they affect our behavior, they affect our feelings, they affect our suffering and pleasure. These negative thoughts affect us to that extent. Therefore, what is the answer to that problem? The answer is, don't let the mind think randomly. You direct it what to think. Mind is a machine in your hands. You as the soul are the owner of this machine. You can direct the mind. When we do meditation, we do Simran. What are we doing? We are directing the mind, repeat these words. Like that, we can direct the mind to think on any line we like. We can direct the mind to think of any subject we like. We can direct the mind to think of master. We can direct the mind, now think of this thing, what we're planning for the master. You can direct the mind and make it occupied with your direction. You will find the master. The mind is a beautiful servant also. It works so well for you. But when we let the mind go randomly thinking, then those negative thoughts come into the mind from the past and affect us. So the answer is control your mind by directing it what to do. It's our slave. Remember, the mind is supposed to be a slave. Somehow we made some mistake somewhere and we have become slaves of the master, of the mind. Now we have to make the mind back our slave by giving it directions what to do.